na ako ng toys. You can have 6 toys. This one. And I clean it now. Anna, this is the one with clean it. Then I'm going to my sipon. Anna, because I'm working. I want to give you back your bag. Okay? With toys. But I can turn to tails. I can buy
Asa mo tong nabili?
Ayun mga guys na ako. Toys, toys, and want to. Toys, but then I just hit up ka na, boo. Ayaw, I hit up ka na, boo. Tell me what you like, you. Hello guys na ako. I'm going to dinner to my sipon na because I wreck. What's your buggy street? What's your buggy street? Toys! My sipon is in a chicken! Gama is chicken! And tick this. Look to my leg! Because it's big. Hello mga guys na ako spice na ako na Papa is buying me toys and Cindy is this and Papa is buying toys for Cindy too. Okay guys, I show you my favorite toys. Come. Sikap ko mama Didi.
Gana siya eh. Ang bibi pa di. Kahit ako ka na to. Sabay may atel nila.
Sakit?
Na ako toys.
Ganun sa mo to.
Na. Ambak ka na sa iring ang kuan.
Yeah.
Guys, na ako no toys by mama o papa ni Ani. Kasi siguro ka o ganito ka.
Katawa mo ka.
Ana.
Katawa na. It's not fun.
Ay, saglang asa.